welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this one is going to be so exciting because I'm trying out the new KKW Beauty Glam Bible set. This is what the inside of the set looks like. I am using every single thing in this set today. The only thing that I'm not wearing right now on my face are the lashes, which are in here, and the lip gloss, and that's just because I like how this looks. This kit does come with an eyeshadow palette, which is fairly cool toned. It's just like a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, 5 mattes, 1 shimmer. You've got a black eyeliner right here. You have a pair of lashes in here. You've got a mascara. You have 2 nude lipsticks, a nude lip gloss, a nude lip pencil, and then you have a highlighter and a blush. She basically wanted to make a set where you could have all of your smoky essentials in one place. I do have milkshake on my lap, by the way, so if you see anybody moving, it's just milkshake. Since it's the first time that I'm trying it, you guys will see my first impressions on everything. And not only that, but I did pick up some other KKW Beauty products that I had not tried before. So you guys are gonna be able to see my first impressions on those as well, because that is the first time that I am using those products. So basically we've got a lot in this video. So if you guys want to see my first impressions on the Glam Bible set by KKW Beauty, then please just keep on watching. So I already have my foundation on, my eyes are primed, and my brows are done. I am just gonna go straight into the Glam Bible Smoky Eye Kit bundle thing. I don't know. When you open it up, this is what it looks like, obviously if you get the bundle. And you basically have all your products that you're gonna need for your smoky eye in here. This is the palette in the corner here, and you can see the shades inside, but I am gonna take it out somehow. So the first shade that I'm gonna take is the shade Risqué, which is this like soft pinkish transition shade. I actually have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna do. I'm taking a Morphe M441, and I'm just gonna put this into my crease, and I love this shade already. It's like the perfect pink tone transition shade, and I love a good pink tone transition. So this one is nice, and it's fairly pigmented. I wouldn't say it's the most pigmented shadow in the world, but it's pretty pigmented. Next, I'm gonna grab this cool tone shade right down here. I think this is called Antique, and I'm using a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna kind of start just working this on the outer corner and then bringing it more inwards towards the crease. I feel like I should have zoomed you in a little more. This color is definitely not that pigmented, but it's also a gray. I feel like grays are usually not that pigmented. Not that that's an excuse. Now I'm grabbing a ColourPop brush that has no name, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go into the shade right next to the gray shade that we were just using. This is called Exotic. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing, just basically start by working it on my outer V and then bringing it more inwards. I feel like I almost don't even want to use this brown. Like, it's a nice color, but I feel like I maybe should have just stuck with gray. I'm gonna use my ring finger, and I'm just gonna pick up the shade Fatale. And I'm just gonna, is it Fatale? Yeah, I think it's Fatale. And I'm just gonna pop this onto my lid. Oh, that's so pretty. So now I'm gonna grab that ColourPop brush that we used with the brown, and I'm gonna go into the shade Dark, which is the black. I feel like I work with blacks enough, aka every single day, to know like when it's a good black or not. This definitely isn't the most pigmented black that I ever dealt with. So now going back in with the M433 and the shade Antique, which is the gray. I'm just gonna blend out some of these edges here. So. Now going in with the original Morphe brush and that Risqué pink shade again. I kind of like this pink shade a lot with these cooler tones. I just feel like it kind of adds like a hint of like rosiness to the look, so you don't look so dead. This is what we have so far. I think I'm gonna use a flat definer brush. This one is the Morphe Y21, and I'm gonna use the black shade, which is literally called dark, and I'm just gonna use it as like a smoky liner situation, just right at this lash line. I have been loving doing this. I have to hold myself back from not doing it in every single look, but I do really enjoy this little trick. I just feel like it looks so sexy. Let me just zoom you out so we can do concealer. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just gonna go in, especially with like a smoky eye, and a cool tone smoky eye at that. Concealer isn't necessary, otherwise you will just look like a walking zombie, or in my case, a mombi. Grabbing my damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna start to blend this. So this is also really exciting. This does not come in the kit, but it is by KKW. It is the Bake Powder in #1, which I believe is just translucent. This is my first time trying it. I picked it up at the same time that I picked up this bundle, just because I figured why not try as much from KKW as we can in this video. I mean, it's meant for baking, so I guess I'm gonna lightly bake. I would definitely say that this powder does not help my pores at all. Like some of the other powders that I use kind of make them look a little bit more smoother, or a little bit more smooth, I should say. But this one does not do that. So the kit does come with a black eyeliner, which is right here. It's right underneath where the palette was. And I'm excited because I have been on the hunt for a great black eyeliner that's gonna stay in my waterline all day. I cannot get this out for the life of me. The eyeliner is just called Black One. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna go to town on my waterline, I guess. So I think the eyeliner is okay. It's not amazing, it's not awful, it's just like meh. I am gonna go back into that Y21 brush that we used on that upper lash line and go back into the shade Dark and just run that pretty dramatically on that lower lash line. I want this to be super smoky. So now grabbing a pencil brush, this one is the Sigma E30 brush, and I'm gonna go into the gray shade. Initially, I might end up going into the pink shade as well. The gray shade is called Antique, again, by the way. But I definitely need something darker than the pink just to start blending out this black. So the highlighter is called Glitz and Glam. This is what it looks like right here. I'm just gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. That's pretty nice. So there's also a mascara here. This is the blush that I took out. This is where the highlighter was. No, this is the mascara down here. I don't really usually care about mascara, but I am gonna test this one out. This is what the brush looks like. So I'm just gonna coat my lashes and see if there's anything special about this. So I do not like this mascara at all. And it's weird for me to say that because I usually just don't care. But I actually see nothing happening. Like actually nothing happening to my lashes. Usually I see them at least like lift a little bit or do like a little something something. I have very tiny lashes. But I usually see something happening. But I just see nothing happening with this. This is the part that I'm really not doing well with. There is a pair of lashes in here and I saw the lashes and they're not my kind of eyelash. This is what the pair of lashes look like. They're very tiny. I do like how thin the band is. So if you were not wearing like any black over here, you probably would not see them. But They're so itty bitty. So this is what the lash looks like on. Obviously the glue is still drying and whatnot. But no, I don't like these. I would never leave the house with like this smoky eye and these baby lashes. I just feel like this part specifically of this kit was just like a miss for me. I did just pick up some lashes from Mimi Artistry. I will leave the link in the description box. And these are in the style Battie. This is what they look like. I feel like with this like dramatic eye, these would look cool. In the meantime, while the glue on those lashes is getting tacky, I am gonna try another new product, not that one. I am gonna try another new product that's not part of the Glam Bible set. This is the Contour Kit in medium, which I am pretty sure is gonna be too light, but the deep dark one looked super dark. I'm gonna do Contour 2, and I'm using the Real Techniques contour brush. And I don't know if this is gonna work at all, but I guess we'll see together. Also, I still have my enormous pimples that you guys saw in my last video. I don't think they're going anywhere. This actually does not look that cool toned. Like in the palette, it looks very, very cool, but on the cheeks, that looks nice. All right, so I think the lash is good. I'm just gonna pop it out. Now that's a lash. I am going to use this more warm tone shade in the palette. This is Contour 1. I am going to use that and start to bronze up my face. I don't know because this looks like orange, you know. I usually like kind of more red toned bronzers, but I guess we'll see. So this Contour 1 shade as a bronzer, I don't really like it that much. I just don't feel like it's the right shade. I really prefer like my more like Cappuccino by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive by ColourPop. Like those are the shades that I like. I'm using a Morphe E62, and this I like. This shade kind of reminds me of Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. This cool tone shade is super nice. I don't know about that warm tone shade. I don't know about that. I don't know about it. So like I said earlier, the kit does contain a blush, and it's called Luxe. And it looks kind of just like a peachy, almost like a peachy mauve. Is that even a thing? Just gonna apply. That's pigmented. That's very pigmented actually. And I love that shade. It looks really nice on my skin tone actually. Wow, I'm surprised. I didn't think that was gonna show up. Or at least not show up as nicely as it does. That is a nice color. I love that blush. I really love that blush. I think that's probably my favorite thing thus far from this collection. I am gonna test out the highlighter again. It's called Glitz and Glam. I guess we're just gonna test it out. It might be a little light. I actually kind of like the tone of this. It is like a little light for me, but I don't mind it. I did pick up this highlighter palette, which this looks like it's going to be a lot better for my skin tone. I actually swatched this one because I just could not. It looked delicious. This one is the highlighter palette 2, so the darker of the two. And I think I am going to grab the one that I swatched originally. I'm going to put it right on top. Oh, I like them both mixed, but I think I dragged it on this side. I really did. But I think this shade on its own on my skin tone is probably stinking gorgeous. So now I'm gonna grab this shade actually from the highlighter palette. I'm like showing you all my secrets right now. This shade right here, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray number 7 brush, which just looks kind of like a pencil brush but like a little longer. And I'm gonna use this down the bridge of my nose because I feel like this shade is probably very similar to what we have in our cheeks, and I'll put it next in. cute as well. So the last thing left in the set, literally the last thing left, are the lip products. So we have a lip pencil, 2 lipsticks, and a lip gloss. The shade of lip pencil is just Classic Icon Lip Pencil. And I have no idea if this is gonna match me or look good on me. That looks like a little bit light. I really like Nude 2 by her. That is my favorite lip pencil I think of all time. So I guess I'll just start. Oh no, that's not bad. Oh no, that's definitely not too light. That works. This is actually a really nice nude lip pencil. It kind of leans a little bit pink. So now there are 2 lipsticks. I'll swatch them both for you. They are called Classic Icon 1 and Classic Icon 2. She really just keeps it simple with her names. I don't know how much I like that she keeps it simple with her names. This is Classic Icon 1, and that's it swatched. And this one is Classic Icon 2, which is what I think I'm going to use. And that's it right next to it. So I'm just going to go in with Classic Icon 2 on top of my Cheeto lips. Oh, yeah. That was the right choice. So this is the lip gloss that comes with the set. It's called Lust. I will swatch. Oh god, that was a lot that came out. I will swatch it right here. I don't think I'm gonna apply it because I like what I have going on with my lips right now. I don't really want to put any gloss on it, but that is the swatch of Lust right there. This one is Classic Icon 2. No, Classic Icon 1, Classic Icon 2, and then that's Lust. It's actually a lot more peach than the other 2 lipsticks. So I don't know. I feel like that was kind of rando. So that is it for this video. I do have to say that I do have some favorites. I would say that the blush is hands down my favorite thing in the entire collection. I think the highlighter is nice if it fits your skin tone, but the highlighter palette I think fits my skin tone a little bit better than the actual single highlighter. I do really like this lip combo as well. The lip pencil I think is really nice. As for the eyeshadow palette, I did like it. I can't say I'm like obsessed with it. I feel like I could definitely have created this look with some of my other products. Except I think that lid color is just so cool. I think that honestly makes the entire palette. But other than that, I don't think that the shadows are like all that. I tried pretty much every single shade except for this one right here. And I think the formula is okay. I don't think it's all that crazy. The eyeliner, the mascara, and the lashes just not good. I did not like them at all. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll leave that in the description box below, as well as everything that I used on my face today. I want you guys to let me know in the comments. What do you think performed the best? What did you like the best? I do think it worked out pretty well. I do think I'm going to use some of the products more. Some of the products I definitely could have lived without though, I'm not going to lie to you. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!